everyone, I'm Duarte from Cleaning Equipment Manufacturing South Africa and welcome to our 20th edition of TechTalk. Today's tip centers around your floor scrubber batteries. Firstly, and most importantly, you should always charge your floor scrubber to full before using it. This gives you the most out of your battery cycles. The same applies to using it. When possible, always try to deplete the battery as much as possible before putting it on charge. Last but not least, always check that you program your scrubber to the correct battery type. This prevents any unnecessary damage and prolongs their life. CEMSA stocks a wide variety of spares and accessories. We also are able to replace floor scrubber batteries and parts. For more information or any service-related inquiries, please visit your nearest CEMSA branch or dealership or visit our website at www.cemsa.co.za. Thank you.